how to remove background image in just couple of seconds. So you can copy the image, you can then Control V to paste the image, or you can also download the image if you want, but I rather just copy the image and paste it. Much simple, and it saves you more time. So now click on select, and now click on magic cut, and here with green we highlight which part of the image we want to keep, and with red we just remove. And we tell this we communicate that we want to remove, and what we want to remove and what we want to keep, using red and white, blue and red. So that's what you have to do. It's very simple and it's very effective. Look, super effective, and it's can even decrease the size, and if you add here, you see. Now that's very simple and effective tool. Excuse me. Thank you for watching, and I hope this short tutorial saved you time and helped you. I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.